सोमारा 47व्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवाचो समारोप सुवाळो बांबोळेच्या डॉ. श्यामप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमाचेर जालो। सुवाळ्याक चित्रपट मळावयल्या फामाद व्यक्तिमत्वांनी हजेरी लायिल्ली। वेगवेगळ्यो सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळी ह्या वेळार जाल्यो। आर्डेक्स गोवा ब्युरो।
It is this collaboration that has made this edition yet another grand success. Although our is shorter than it previously was, we have managed to successfully do all that we used to do, and even more than that, in this 47th edition. If we provide the Indian industry and the international industry a common platform to showcase cinematography from all over the world. The festival promotes networking, giving business opportunities to both ends of the industry. The Goan community came out in huge numbers to support the Konkani film that made it through to the Indian panorama, K. Sera Sera. Directed by Mr. Raju Shinde, the film boasted of a houseful audience, with public still queuing to squeeze into the theater after the doors were shut.
जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल, माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए, रंग तेरी रीत का, रंग तेरी प्रीत का, रंग तेरी जीत का है लाए लाए लाए, रंग तेरी रीत का, रंग तेरी प्रीत का, माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए। जब जब मुझ पे उठा सवार, माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए, झीणो झीणो रे उड़ो गुलाल, माड़ी तारी चूंदलड़ी लहराने रे।
At the closing award ceremony of the 47th International Film Festival India, I take opportunity to thank our eminent jury who took out time to be here with us for almost 10 days to complete the process of selection of awards. International Film Festival India is not only limited to screening of films to the audience, but offers a large avenue of learning courses by basis of the industry. I acknowledge the effort of National Film Archives of India to put up the multimedia exhibition on Azadi 70 years Yaad Karo Qurbani at IFFI 2016. The trendsetter in film festivals, IFFI 2016, brought an exclusive virtual reality experience to its audience with high-end virtual reality zone of the Bahubali series.